In this video, we will see together l'impératif présent and more precisely when we use l'impératif présent to express a wish. So yeah, in most of the cases, we tend to associate l'impératif présent to orders, but it is also possible to use l'impératif présent to express a wish. And we will see some examples in this short lesson. Passe un bon week-end. Passe un bon week-end. In that case, you can see that it is the imperative present form of the verb passer, passer. So in that case, we conjugate it to the second person of the singular and it's passe. Passe un bon week-end. In that case, obviously, it's not an order, but it's definitely a wish. Passe un bon week-end. Rentre bien chez toi. Rentre bien chez toi. Same thing here. It's the second person of the singular for you, pour toi. Rentre bien chez toi. And the verb is rentrer. Passe un bon week-end. Rentre bien chez toi. Prends le temps de respirer. Prends le temps de respirer. Same thing in that situation. As you can see, it is an imperative, but clearly it's not an order, but it's more a wish for this person to take the time to breathe. Prends le temps de respirer. Passer de bonnes vacances. Passer de bonnes vacances. In that situation, of course, it's definitely not an order, but a wish and a nice one. Passer de bonnes vacances. Prends le temps de respirer. Passer de bonnes vacances. So keep in mind that in some cases, we can use l'impératif présent to express a wish.